Hello everyone, join me as I install a mini Z shell on my Wltoys K989 pocket racer in this video. I'll begin by removing the stock unlicensed Ford Focus shell, followed by the front body posts and the front bumper assembly. As you can probably tell, this is no stock K989 model. I have upgraded the suspension, still missing the tie rod ends, but hopefully they're in the mail. Two Phillips head screws hold the front body post in place. Remove the screws and it pops out of the shock assembly just like that. Now for the front bumper. 4 screws at the bottom of the chassis, 2 hold the front bumper and need to be removed. The remaining 2 just get backed off to allow the bumper to slide out, just like that. Followed by the rear body post, 2 more screws and it pops out just like the front. I found this shell online. It's a BMW M3 model. It is from Route 246 and it features DATONA graphics and body kit. It comes with front mounting clip and dare I say it looks stunning. It is one of the only mini Z shells that will fit without a suspension mod. It fits a 98mm wheelbase chassis. There are other shells available. You can check the mini Z auto scale website if a model you prefer will fit this chassis. Only the 98mm and 102mm body shells will fit. You must also consider the front suspension assembly. Most auto scale bodies will not fit over the front suspension without a mod. The paint and details are exceptional. I dare say it is auto scale quality. It is complete with full light buckets front and back, and it is 3mm LED light set compatible. Now to fit the front mounting clip. It's the reverse of the bumper assembly. Pop in the front clip and replace one of the front screws. Tighten the rear screw holding the front assembly. Finally, the remaining screw to align the clip. Here's a quick measurement of the chassis. As you can see, it is a 98mm wheelbase. Okay, now to the main attraction. A quick test fit to confirm where to trim the side posts to fit the side chassis brackets. A quick off-camera trim and the shell finally pops into place. As you can see, the wheel wells are a little snug. This needs to be addressed. I can either install different offset rims or trim the body shell wheel wells to fit. I decided to sand the wheel wells with some 150 grit, then 400 to finish. I will have a small paint touch-up later down the road. A quick test fit and I noticed that the steering is still binding on the body shell. Back to sanding. And just like that, a perfect fit. I really love the way this mod turned out. Please join me in the next one. Like, subscribe, or comment.